Hi, I'm Evan Derrick, and I am one of the judges for the very first ChristianFilmmakers.org 24-hour short film competition. The other judge, Ash Grayson, is currently out in LA doing actual real production stuff. Now, Ash has spent over a decade in video production, and he's spent 6 years filming a documentary with Hanson, and he's done numerous music videos. He's also currently working on a documentary about the history of Christian rock and roll. I've shot a couple of short films and a documentary as well, although nothing spectacular. The contest kicks off on March 1st at 6 a.m. And at that point, we will be releasing 7 different security elements that you will incorporate into your film to prove that you shot it that day within 24 hours. You can pick 3 of the 7, and they'll include sample lines of dialogue, maybe a prop or an item you are supposed to use. It must be uploaded to YouTube by 6 a.m. on the 2nd of March. Your videos must be only 3 minutes in length, not 1 second longer, and that includes credits. You're not allowed to use any stock footage unless you're using it for compositing purposes. We will be rating you in 5 different categories: story, cinematography, editing, acting, and something else. And sound. All the categories will be worth 5 points, except for story, which will be worth 10. Now, we're also going to judge you based on how organically the security elements fit into your story. For example, say one of the security elements was an item, like a cell phone. Now, you could just have a character carrying a cell phone around in one of the scenes, and that would be acceptable. However, you would not be rated as highly as if, for example, the character had to receive an important call on the cell phone that was central to your story. So, you can do story, pre-production, and writing, and kind of work out what you want to do, but be careful because the security elements should inform a little bit on what your story is, so don't do too much work beforehand. There's a number of other rules on the website, so be sure to look at all of the guidelines. Get a team together. You can potentially win $500, so good luck.